Oh, I knew you would go back. You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said that I don't deserve you, but I can see that you don't wanna lose what we had. Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just take it slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes us feel alive. So we go with the flow. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me. Just tell me louder if you're loving me. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me. Tell me louder if you're loving me.
I'll move you.
Mommy, do it backwards. Like the lay down.
No,
Why?
because that puts pressure on the wheel, so I'm not gonna do that one again.
Just love me harder.
Oh, they have some food. There's apple and a good.
Shan, come look at the piece of rug. The piece of rug is pretty.
Guys, we went for a walk. I was to the people them show us a light on in there, so we're peeping. Peeping it look nice too. It look like a 1-bedroom. Obviously we can't go in there, but well, look. New.
It's a pocket door. I like that it's a pocket door between the kitchen and the bedroom. You see?
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a nice for a little start out, a little couple or a little single person. Hi vlog. Nana say hi vlog.
Hi vlog. My last day. Oh, I got one more.
So how you say that happy so?
I got one more. Not that I'm happy, but I want to see my daughter.
To see your who?
My Judy.
Guys, she's leaving us soon.
See you too.
That's so mad done.
And yeah, and I don't want to be here in the cold. I just don't like it. I don't want to be here.
No, you're supposed to be helping me to sell Regina. Is the summer not worth the winter?
It's worth it to be honest, but
So what you say about far?
Sharon don't like the winter. I don't like the cold.
We don't like it either, but it's not that bad. If you move from building to building.
Yeah, you know that.
It's
To
not
be
that
honest with you,
bad.
it's not that bad. It's not that bad. To be honest with you, the only thing I don't like is when I have to go outside and I have to put on 3 layers of clothes. That confuses me badly. Don't like it. And then when I go in the building, I have to take them off.
Yeah,
No,
but
it's not worth it.
I don't mind, to be honest, because if I did that Ontario, I'm still in and spend no time out the door. So it don't make no difference to me. But
I guess it's because I don't really love clothes. I don't love clothes.
I don't have clothes neither. Be a naked my walk.
Put on 3 layers of clothes.
Chevy? Merciful Father. Whew. All right. Good job. Good job.
Thank you.
Anyway, people, I'm gonna finish my walk and take picture. Tell them later.
Bye vlog, see you later.
Bye, vlog. See you later.
That's noise.
I think so. Some of them would have finished and some unfinished. Semi-detached homes.
Louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder. Have no mercy on me. Tell me louder. If you're loving me.
If you've got your face painted, you automatically qualify to come up on stage. And if you don't have your face painted, you automatically qualify to come on stage. Perfect.
Ooh, I want to go over there, that truck.
All right. Is that all we got? All right, we got two more. We got a couple more. All right. Okay, this is all we're going to get you. This one.
There's a food truck over there.
If you know your name is over to your code, you need your help to come up here and do the dance. You guys ready?
Where? Where's that?
I don't know. That's Daddy. Water.
Come on. Go on, walk. This way. Hmm? I'm vlogging. You want me to vlog you? This way. Hi, folks. So we came to Regina Day downtown. We came with like an hour left. Oh, thank my peoples jumping at 2 hours and now we're headed out. It's very windy. It's cold. The bead mural and the bison. And we're heading up.